In India, maximum weapon representation which we have seen in Lok Sabha has never been above than 15%.
Yeah. So don't you think linking it to delimitation could have been avoided, or it is in a way a compensation to the male counterpart?
That it's not about women development, it's about women led development.
Options where we have seen Sarpanch Patis.
Shakti is the divine power, but now we are not ready to give Shakti to that Shakti.
ये कहा जाता है कि a working woman goes back home to prepare the dinner.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
working man goes back to have a prepared dinner.
एक विमेन ऑफिसर रात में पेट्रोलिंग में शायद उतना सेफ फील नहीं करती है जितना एक उसका मेल काउंटर पार्ट फील करता है, एंड दैट इज बिकॉज सोसाइटी हैज बीन मेड लाइक.
A woman who is a symbol of power. A woman is a symbol of energy. A woman is a creator who starts nourishing, energizing, empowering every new life on this earth right from her womb itself. A family, a society, a country, the whole world cannot be imagined without the women power. But when it comes to give it back to her, what we have seen, every single nation has failed. And the recent failure of the women representation bill in our Lok Sabha is an example. India is known as a vibrant democracy. What is bringing vibrancy to this democracy? One of the factors of vibrancy is women participation and their increased engagement in the electoral process. They constitute around 50% of our population. But the difference between their participation and representation is huge. And that makes it a compelling case for implementation of the women reservation bill in our country. So today we are going to discuss on the topic of women reservation bill. Not just women reservation bill, we are going to discuss the various aspects of women empowerment globally, nationally, at our local levels. So we are going to discuss in depth about women reservation, why it is important, why should we have it, what are the challenges to it. And for that, we also have another woman, a young lady, Prachi. She is this year's rank 28 in civil service examinations. And I was interacting with Prachi one day and I asked her, what has motivated you to civil services? And one of her reasons was to work in the area of women empowerment. So, Prachi, it's good to have you here. Welcome.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी हियर.
ओके, सो आपसे उस दिन बात हो रही थी, है ना? हम परसों की ही बात है. यू
Yes,
सेड वन
ma'am.
ऑफ द रीजंस ऑफ माय कमिंग टू दिस इज अबाउट women empowerment also, to work
Yes.
towards it.
Yes, ma'am.
First thing first, what do you understand by women empowerment, Prachi?
Ma'am, for me, women empowerment is not just empowering women in one field in the society. It starts from physical empowerment itself, where women have control over their own body, emotional independence, where they are allowed to deal emotionally with their own emotions by their own decisions. Other will be, ma'am, financial independence, which I think is very much needed when we talk about empowerment, social, political, health empowerment also. So for me, women empowerment is not just one topic. It's about integration of every other aspect which we think are important for other creatures. For women also, it all should be integrated, and that will be women empowerment for me.
Yeah. And for this empowerment, Prachi, I think we need tools also.
Yes, ma'am.
And one of the most important tools is political empowerment.
Yes, ma'am.
And one of the ways of doing it in our country is to give due representation to the women in this process. So tell us something about this recent bill. Do you have can you share something about what was there in the bill and why we needed this bill?
Ma'am, if we see historically in India, maximum weapon representation which we have seen in Lok Sabha has never been above than 15%.
Yeah.
But if we see in our neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Pakistan, they also have women representation more than 20%. And in some countries like African countries, which are considered as underdeveloped, like Rwanda, we have 61% women representation. So a country with such a huge population and now the largest population, we are not able to cut mark the cross of 15% in our legislation. Ma'am, Rajya Sabha, it's never been more than 13%, and across state legislatures, it's never been above 9%. So it shows how much women are not taking part in the decision making of the country. And we always talk about inclusive growth and inclusive decision making. So, ma'am, if I think if we are not taking into account the 50% accountability, how the decision will be inclusive. So, ma'am, for that purpose, 106th Constitutional Amendment Act was done to provide one third of reservation for women. Ma'am, one of the drawback was representation was not provided in Rajya Sabha in that act also. Criteria which were put forwarded was this representation will take place after the census and the delimitation. So it was not possible to implement it before 2034. So even after implementing, 10 more years was needed. So this current 131 constitutional bill was made for the purpose that we can make the process more easier. So it was proposed that delimitation should take place on the basis of 2011 census only. But ma'am, unfortunately, the bill was not passed by Lok Sabha, and I think uncertainty still prevails that how women will be provided one third representation in Lok Sabha and across state assemblies. Ma'am, I think example should be taken from panchayats where we have successfully implemented this, and without any further delay we can also reintroduce the bill so that a very progressive step can be taken in this regard. As our honorable prime minister also says that it's not about women development, it's about women led development. So women led development needs political representation, ma'am.
Okay, so what are the main reasons behind the non-passage of this bill in the Lok Sabha recently?
Ma'am, I think one of the main reason can be political if we talk. Ma'am, political parties themselves are very restrained when they think of giving think of giving tickets to the parties. Not more than 15% tickets are given to women. So, ma'am, one thing can be that. Second, ma'am, politics itself is considered a money, muscle power, and networking skills. And our society finds it that women don't possess those skills as compared to male counterparts. So, ma'am, those can be political reason. Ma'am, third would be women are seen as meek decision maker as compared to men. So it's always seen that she will need their male counterparts to validate the decisions. So I think, ma'am, these philosophies together have been there in the mind of decision makers also, and that has led to failure of this bill, ma'am.
And what about the issues which are there in the news, linking it to delimitation, linking it to census? So don't you think linking it to delimitation could have been avoided, or it is in a way a compensation to the male counterpart? Ki first let us do the delimitation, your seats would be secured, and then additional seats would be created for women candidates.
Ma'am, it can be seen from one of the point, ma'am, I think, but one of the major issues which has come from the South Indian states, because they have always protested against their population control and now not getting equal representation for the work they have done. So I think, ma'am, as the Finance Commission gives certain incentives that development led advances are there, so we can formulate some formulas there also where we are equally rewarding northern states and southern states. Ma'am, if we see geographically, northern states have their own problem because they are not able to control birth and death rates, while southern states have worked proactively for that. So, ma'am, I think we need to equally reward both of them so that none gets behind other and none gets above other, and it should be team India led model, ma'am.
Yeah, and this women representation issue, I think it should not be politicized by any political party.
True, ma'am.
Yeah, it should. I think it's like a national emergency if you really want to grow, you really want to develop, because 50% your population, if it is not participating in the development process, I think it's a national emergency. All the political parties should come together for this.
Yes, ma'am, very true. Ma'am, some topics, for example, national security, women reservation, or giving equality to all the other genders also present in the
Yes,
society.
yes.
Ma'am, it should not be seen as some benefits to a particular political party. Rather, it should be seen as empowering every citizen of our country. And when the goal becomes that we, the people of India, ma'am, I think these debates will stop after that.
Like when you see why nations fail.
True, ma'am.
Yeah, one of the reasons of the failure of the nation, and the very strong reason of the failure of nations is breaking down of their democratic institutions. And if you're not including 50% of your people, of your citizens in this process, so your democracy is not translating into a very inclusive democracy. It is not something which is very legitimate also. So when your institutions are having weakening legitimacy and inclusiveness, then democracies fail, nations fail. Isn't it?
Certainly, ma'am, it's true. And one of the example which I would like to quote is menstrual leave debate was
Yes.
going very much in parliament. But ma'am, when women representation is low, many would not appreciate what is this bill about, what people are talking about, because fortunately or unfortunately, men do not see that process. What is the pain, what women go through.
Yes.
So ma'am, I think to understand what other genders want, we need to have participation of those people so that they are better able to formulate policies which are not inclusive just in letter but on spirit also. So ma'am, I think that's why we need inclusive development also and inclusive participation also.
And here, to add to what you are saying, Prachi, if you look at the 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments, which has given 33% reservation to women at the local levels, of course, there have been some exceptional cases, or there have been some exceptions where we have seen sarpanch patis or tokenism, you can say. But everything is not like this, है ना? कई जगह हमने देखा है जो grassroots level पे जो leadership, women leadership आई है, now they have given more participation. There is more focus on some of the areas which are your health, education, sanitation, water, है ना? SHGs. So these are your social infrastructure.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have seen improvement in the social infrastructure. Of course, हर चीज का pros है, cons है. There are limitations, there are criticisms. But why should we go for criticisms? है ना? तो जैसे आपने कहा कि menstruation वाला जो issue was discussed in the parliament. So when women are there, they can better understand it. Even I think when you look at your state legislature, the representation of women is somewhere around 9%.
True, ma'am.
Now look at the areas where state makes laws. है ना? Education, okay, it is a concurrent list, but states also have a big say into it.
Yes, ma'am.
Health, agriculture, where a lot of women are there in
Yes,
agriculture in India. अब उन areas में जिन पे state law बना रहा है, और उन laws और उन areas में जहाँ women का participation is very important,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? वहाँ women है ही नहीं. They are not in the decision making role.
Yes, ma'am.
9% है, और स्टेट लिस्ट में आप जो सब्जेक्ट्स देख रहे हो, दे आर ऑल इक्वली, दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर विमेन, है ना? और वो उसमें लॉ मेकिंग में है ही नहीं. तो आई थिंक विमेन, दिस इज समथिंग, इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग केस फॉर हैविंग रिजर्वेशन फॉर विमेन. नाउ व्हेन यू लुक एट द कंट्रीज हु हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, यू लुक एट स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज, यू लुक एट सम ऑफ द यूरोपियन कंट्रीज ऑफ लाइक जर्मनी एंड ऑल, स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज हैं, यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में है. तो वहाँ पे सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्ट्रांग होने के पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा reason is your women in the decision making role. They are sitting in the parliament. Scandinavian countries 43 to 47%.
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am. True.
है ना? तो ये I think it is very important. What are the other structural faults that you see in the society which is hindering the women in the parliament?
Ma'am, I think women's stories should be seen like story from womb to tomb. मैम, सारी स्ट्रक्चरल चैलेंजेस वहीं से शुरू हो जाती हैं, क्योंकि जब हम देखते हैं कि एक लड़की जन्म लेती है, अभी भी हमारी सोसाइटी में there is more fear than happiness. So ma'am, the way male and female are nourished, nurtured in our society is very different. So we see in society that एक पर्टिकुलर लिमिट तक गर्ल चाइल्ड को पढ़ाया जाए एंड देन फिर उसकी शादी कर दी जाए एंड उसको भेज दिया जाए. तो हम उसके ओवरऑल डेवलपमेंट पे कभी काम ही नहीं करते. मे बी एक लड़की को बहुत ज़्यादा मन हो कि वो पॉलिटिक्स में आए, वो पॉलिसी मेकिंग में काम करे, बट बहुत सारी जगह पे उसको ये फ्रीडम ही नहीं है कि वो अपना लाइफ चॉइस चुन पाए. तो मैम आई थिंक वो जो अर्ली एजेस में ही हम ड्रीम्स को विंग्स नहीं दे पाते हैं, अगर हम बात करें, तो वो फिर फर्दर चैनलाइज नहीं होती हैं. क्योंकि जब आप किसी ऐसा होता है ना, ड्रीम्स आर लाइक सीड्स, उसको पानी देते रहो तो फिर वो एक बहुत अच्छा पौधा और फिर पेड़ बनेगा. बट अगर उसको इनिशियली आप काट दो, देन वीमेन ऑल्सो एक्सेप्ट दैट इट इज़ आवर फेट, एंड व्हेन वी एक्सेप्ट दैट इट इज़ आवर फेट, वी डू नॉट फाइट फॉर गेटिंग इट. सो मैम मुझे लगता है कि इसीलिए जब वो इनिशियल वो चीज़ कर दी जाती है, देन वी आर ऑल्सो नॉट सो मच इंक्लाइंड कि हमें एक पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिलना चाहिए. मैम रिप्रेजेंटेशन तो तब आएगी मुझे लगता है when you have initially power to vote the candidate of your choice. And we have traditionally seen कि एक women से नहीं पूछा जाता है कि आप किस कैंडिडेट को वोट करना चाहती हैं, उन्हें डिसीजन सुना दिया जाता है कि आपके फैमिली के मेल काउंटरपार्ट्स इनको वोट करने जा रहे हैं और आप इनको वोट कर दीजिए. सो उनका जो पॉलिटिकल एम्पावरमेंट का फर्स्ट स्टेप है वही वहाँ पे ख़त्म हो गया, जहाँ वो सोच सकती हैं कि हमें वोट कैसे करना है. तो मैम जब वो यही नहीं सोच पा रही हैं कि वोट कैसे करना है, तो वो वहाँ पे पार्टिसिपेशन वाला इशू तो आई गई. तो मैम आई थिंक फर्स्ट जो हिंड्रेंस है वो हाउ विमेन आर चैनलाइज्ड एंड मॉडल्ड वो है. मैम सेकंड, मेल काउंटर पार्ट्स, जैसे हमने पहले भी बात करी कि वो समझते हैं कि वीमेन आर मीक डिसीजन मेकर्स. सो एक ग्लास सीलिंग, ग्लास क्लिफ वाली जो फिनोमिना हम सोसाइटी में देखते हैं, दैट आर वेरी रियल चैलेंजेस, एंड दैट्स वाई दे आर नॉट सो मच इनकरेज टू टेक पार्ट इन पॉलिटिकल स्फेयर्स. मैम थर्ड, मैं बोलूँगी कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ का खुद का रिस्ट्रेन है, जहाँ पे कि वो विमेन को टिकट्स ही नहीं देना चाहते हैं. हाँ, एंड इवन इफ़ वी हैव सीन इन मेनी प्लेसेस, जैसे आपने पंचायत में भी बात करी कि इवन इफ सम सीट्स आर विमेन सीट्स, देन वहाँ पे फॉर्मली विमेन आर कैंडिडेट्स बट इनफॉर्मली मेल काउंटर पार्ट्स आर रनिंग दोज थिंग्स, बिकॉज मेल काउंटर पार्ट्स फील कि ये मेरा काम है और ये मुझे करना है. तो मैम आई थिंक स्ट्रक्चरल चैलेंजेस आर हिंड्रेंस इन द वे ऑफ पेविंग पाथ फॉर वुमेन इन पार्लियामेंट ऑल्सो.
एंड जहाँ तक ये मीक डिसीजन मेकर्स की बात है, तो अगर ये मीकनेस है तो इसके पीछे भी सोसाइटी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
ट्रू मैम.
बिकॉज यू आर नॉट अलाउइंग द women to go to school. You are not allowing women financial independence. And you are
Yes,
not
ma'am.
allowing women even to decide what stream they should take up for their higher education. कई
True,
जगह
ma'am.
तो ये भी है. And you are not allowing women to even decide किससे शादी करनी है.
ट्रू
है ना?
मैम.
So
ट्रू
ये
मैम.
सारी चीजें तो that will definitely turn into a meek decision maker.
यस मैम.
And then another structural hurdle that I feel, Prachi, is कि हमारे यहाँ unfortunately ये जो election का process है, it is resource heavy.
ट्रू मैम.
It's very resource heavy because आप जिस हिसाब से आप देखो जो डेटा सामने आते हैं, lot of money is spent in this electoral elections, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Candidates बहुत पैसा खर्च करते हैं. Then networking जो अभी आपने भी बोला है, lot of networking is required also, है ना? Then lot of social networking, economic networking, lot many things are required. Generally women are not having advantageous position here,
यस मैम.
है ना? बिकॉज फाइनेंशियली बहुत रेयर ही होता है कि women इस पोजीशन पे होती है वेयर शी इज अ फाइनेंशियल डिसीजन मेकर, है ना? नेटवर्किंग में भी आपके सोशल कल्चरल कस्टम नॉर्म्स ऐसे होते हैं, सोसाइटी
ma'am.
इश्यूज होते हैं, विच इज ऑल्सो स्ट्रक्चरल हर्डल,
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
कि women जो है वो सामने नहीं आ पाती है पॉलिटिक्स में. दैट इज वाई आई थिंक इट बिकम्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट टू एटलीस्ट गिव देम रिजर्वेशन. लीगली आप कंपेल करो कि यस इतनी तो आनी ही है.
यस
है
मैम.
ना? ठीक है, शुरू में लीगली होंगी, हो सकता है कईयों का जो मानना है कि दे विल बी वीक डिसीजन मेकर्स, बट दे विल बी स्ट्रॉन्ग डिसीजन मेकर्स आल्सो.
यस मैम.
But yes, once they are there, I think it will be a pipeline for others also.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes.
तो फिर धीरे 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 और लड़कियां भी, and I think this is the right time. Right time, of course, right time तो बहुत time से है, but right now
Yes,
it is do or die kind of a situation, because right now if you look at women in India,
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना, हम बहुत enthusiastically like labor workforce में आ रहे हैं, हम बहुत ही enthusiastically हर field में जा रहे हैं.
Yes,
चाहे
ma'am.
combat role हो आपके military में, चाहे आपके जो है administrative roles हो. If you look at the result of UPSC, look at the
Yes,
result
ma'am.
of standard 10th and 12th
Yes, ma'am.
examination, board examination, women everywhere are shining. है ना, sports की field में देख लीजिए,
Yes,
women
ma'am.
cricket को देख लीजिए आप, है ना, हर जगह we are doing good.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
अगर इस टाइम रिजर्वेशन आती है तो आई थिंक ये मोमेंटम को और स्पीड अप कर देगी. इट विल बी वेरी मोटिवेटिंग फॉर द वुमेन.
यस मैम, ट्रू मैम. एंड आई थिंक जब कोई चीज़ पीक पे होती है, जैसे आपने मोमेंटम की बात करी, और वहाँ पे हम एक सही कैटलिस्ट दे देते हैं,
Yes.
तो वो आउटपुट काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव हो जाता है. बिकॉज सबसे बड़ा जो इसमें चेंज आया है मैम, विच आई फील इज नाउ विमेन आर फिनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंट.
Yes.
ठीक है. एंड व्हेन यू गिव फिनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस टू समबडी, वो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है एम्पावरमेंट का. बिकॉज नाउ दे कैन फील इवन इफ आई एम बीइंग एक्सप्लॉयटेटेड, आई हैव माई ओन रिसोर्सेज
Yes.
जिससे मैं अपना लाइफ सेट कर सकती हूँ. सो if we see in current times also, it's said that divorce rates are increasing in India because लड़कियां काफ़ी पढ़ लिख गई हैं. बट आई थिंक इसको ऐसा नहीं देखना चाहिए. इसका जो मेजर इशू है एंड मेन पॉइंट है वो इसीलिए बिकॉज ना विमेन आर फिनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट. सो पहले के समय में इवन इफ देयर वॉज डाउरी, दे वेयर एक्सप्लॉइटेड लाइक हेल, बट उनके पास वो था ही नहीं फाइनेंशियल रिसोर्स कि वो अपने घर को छोड़ के कहीं जा पाएँ. बट नाउ सिंस दे हैव अ चॉइस, सो दे कैन टेक दैट चॉइस. सिमिलरली मैम, इवन इफ पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में इनिशियल के डिसीजंस में भी वो अच्छे ना ले पाएँ, बट गलती कर करके ही हर कोई सीखता है. एंड अगर वो इनिशियल फेलियर है तो फाइनली वो बहुत अच्छे डिसीजंस में टर्न आउट भी होगा. बिकॉज हर चीज़ को समझने के लिए, इवन इफ मेल मेंबर कम इन ऑफिस, तो उसको भी समझने में चीज़ें समय लगती है. एंड जैसे मैम आपने कहा कि विमेन हर जगह पे खुद को प्रूव कर रही हैं, मैम मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मेल आते हैं और उन्होंने एक बार कुछ कर दिया तो उनको कहेंगे कि वाओ यू हैव डन दैट. बट विमेन को हर स्टेज पे वो प्रूव ही करता पड़ता है कि नहीं, इफ आई एम डूइंग दिस आई कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट. बट वी डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट सेम फ्रॉम द मेल काउंटर पार्ट्स. सो आई थिंक जब हम रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो सेम टाइम पे ही हमें नजिंग सिंस चाइल्डहुड की भी बात करनी पड़ेगी, ताकि जब वो सनसेट क्लॉज चला जाए जो उसमें 15 ईयर्स का डाला है, उसके बाद ये ना सोचना पड़े कि डू वी नीड टू एक्सटेंड इट. वो एकदम नेचुरली इनग्रेन्ड हो जाना चाहिए सोसाइटी में दैट येस वी हैव सीन दैट women have performed exceptionally well in 15 years and there is no way we should take this advantage from them. So I think ma'am वो nudging is very much important.
And Prachi, what I feel is it is very important to have reservation जब आपकी सोसाइटी उतनी mature नहीं है.
True, ma'am.
है ना, इक्वालिटी का ट्रीटमेंट देने के लिए, है ना, तो ऑफ कोर्स वी नीड इट. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे लॉज आपके चेंजेस नहीं लाते. इट इज द
True, ma'am.
माइंडसेट ऑफ द पीपल.
Yes, ma'am.
द माइंडसेट ऑफ एवरी पर्सन, बिकॉज एवरी पर्सन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स अ सोसाइटी.
Yes,
एंड
ma'am.
सोसाइटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स पॉलिटी.
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना, तो हमारे, बिकॉज इफ यू लुक एट द स्कैंडिनेवियन कंट्रीज,
Yes, ma'am.
there is no legal binding to have women representation in the parliament, but they have one of the best women representation in the parliament.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, तो जहाँ पे सोसाइटी में ही वो इक्वालिटी का कॉन्सेप्ट प्रिवेलिंग है, so there you don't need these kind of laws. But we are at a juncture where we need such kind of nudging, where we need such kind of laws. Because जैसे रवांडा की हमने बात की, 61% है, तो वहाँ पे ये लीगल उन्होंने बाइंडिंग किया है.
Yes, ma'am.
And it is also quite interesting. It's not just democracies. Look at UAE.
True, ma'am.
50% women in their decision making process, parliament. 50%. And it was the will of the king there. है ना, आपका top down approach रहा है.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it's not just about only having laws. है ना, but हाँ, जहाँ पे laws से काम चलना है तो वहाँ laws भी चाहिए. But laws can only be successful when the whole ecosystem, your social, economic, political, cultural, I think everything should change. है ना, thought process is required to be changed.
Yes, ma'am. As Dr. Ambedkar also said very famously, if society is good, we do not need any law.
Yes.
But even if laws are there, but society has no acceptance about that law, any good law will not work. So we have laws for everything in our country, be it dowry, be it inheritance. But we can see that you talked about women major part of agriculture, but we see phenomena of feminization of agriculture
Agriculture.
where women are involved, but they do not have title deeds, they do not have title rights. So laws are there, but society is not being acceptable, so women are not getting that fair chance. So ma'am, ultimately everything will come to the point that nudging since childhood is important, and I think ma'am, youth has a very important role to play in it. Both male and women counterparts, and now male counterparts are also breaking many stereotypes, and they are taking those roles. So, ma'am, I think not just in conversation, we have to do it, like showing society that please do not stereotype anything with a particular gender and give everyone the chance they want. For example, ma'am, male also wants to cook, and they cook also, but society has tagged cooking with women. But if we see top chefs in our country, no women is in top chef, we have male there, but we are giving due recognition to them, we are paying them very well, but for the same work if women is doing in household, we do not even count that as work.
Yeah, we need to break the gender stereotypes as well.
Yes ma'am.
इस पे आई थिंक 2 साल पहले ऐसे भी आया है.
Yes ma'am.
यूपीएससी सिविल सर्विसेज में आपका ऐसे भी आया है इसी थीम के ऊपर है.
Yes ma'am.
Of course, I think an ideal society is one where we live as human beings.
Yes ma'am.
We don't live as genders. है ना, because if you are a women gender, you have to prove all the time कि I am also capable. No?
True ma'am.
I think ideal society is where if you are good enough to do a particular job, you don't have to prove it to anyone कि I am. If you are good, everyone should accept you.
Yes ma'am.
Irrespective of whether you are a male gender, female gender, or third gender. Yeah, so I think that is the ideal situation. But unfortunately, this women issue हम इंडिया में तो बात करते ही हैं, but global level पे भी अगर आप देखो तो even US also has just around 27 to 28% representation there.
Yes,
है ना,
ma'am.
बड़ी सारी countries. Even we are yet to see a women president there. We are yet to see a UN chief as a women there.
Yes,
अभी
ma'am.
तक जब से UN 45 से बना है, we haven't seen a female leading the United Nations.
Yes ma'am.
And as women, if you see, pandemic के time पे अगर आप देखिए तो some exceptions हैं, but overall the countries which were ruled by women,
Yes ma'am.
they have done very well during pandemic also.
Yes ma'am.
And even the companies which are led by women, they are more green.
Yes ma'am. True ma'am.
है ना? तो women is very much required at every position. And
Yes, ma'am.
society should like openly accept them. है ना?
Yes ma'am.
एंड एम्पावरमेंट का एक और एस्पेक्ट मुझे लगता है प्राची, ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड द होल इकोसिस्टम, बट इट शुड कम फ्रॉम इनसाइड आल्सो.
Yes ma'am. Very true.
Because unfortunately we also have instances where well educated like financially very good doing women at higher positions, even in civil services, they are committing suicides, and the reason being domestic violence.
True ma'am. Very true.
है ना, तो ये पावर पोजीशन, आपका फाइनेंशियल इंडिपेंडेंस, वो भी कई बार छोटा पड़ जाता है ना. सो आई थिंक
मैम मुझे
should come from within.
क्योंकि मैम वहाँ पे भी दे आर ऑलवेज रिमाइंडेड
Yes.
that if you are professionally very much engaged, you are losing on your personal field, which is your responsibility and your duty. मैम इंदिरा नूई मैम,
Yeah.
उनकी स्टोरी तो काफ़ी
मुझे
फेमस
भी
है.
वही कि घर
हाँ,
जाके,
तुम मतलब उन्होंने अपनी मम्मी को बताया कि लुक मेरे टारगेट्स पूरे हो गए ये है, बट व्हाट शी टोल्ड कि अभी घर जाके यू हैव टू डू सर्टेन हाउस होल्ड वर्क्स. सो मैम आई थिंक if we see like this, not seeing this from perspective of women or men, any person who is overburdened with work from both the sides, mom, it becomes very hard to deal with emotions because you are always under stress. I have to do this, I have to do this, and not just do this, I have to do this विथ परफेक्शन. बिकॉज अगर मैंने ऑफिस में नहीं किया तो वहाँ बोलेंगे लड़की है इसीलिए नहीं हो पाया, और अगर ऑफिस में किया तो बोलेंगे लड़की को घर में भी करना चाहिए था. तो मैम इट बिकम्स वेरी चैलेंजिंग टू डील विद दोज इमोशंस. सो मैम दैट्स वाई सुसाइड बिकम्स वन ऑप्शन, बिकॉज फिर आपको लगता है देर इज़ नो वन टू हियर टू यू. एंड इफ वन स्टार्ट्स फीलिंग लाइक दिस, तो एक जो वो लाइफ के प्रति जो इंथुजियाज्म होता है वो कम हो जाता है. मैम सेकेंड जो आपने बोला एम्पावरमेंट फ्रॉम विद इन, मैम मुझे हमेशा से ये बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान करती है ये चीज़ कि इवन इफ वुमेन बिकम सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट, फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, बहुत हाई पोजीशंस पे चले गए, still women are giving dowry in their marriages.
Yes.
And why?
Why?
Because you are women, so you are giving dowry. Ma'am, I don't find any suitable reason or any suitable logic behind this thing.
And people talk about culture. Our culture has never promoted it.
It was always Stridhan, and it was very good concept.
Yes, it was a good concept.
Yes,
but
ma'am.
you are just diluting it.
Yes, ma'am. And
for your
diluting
convenience.
for convenience and for a particular gender,
Yes.
so that they remain happy in that.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So I think this dowry practice also needs to be stopped. हाँ, जब ये चीज़ें women खुद करने लगेंगी ना, then society will accept that now she is taking decision and we have to oblige what she is telling.
Yes.
वरना मैम हमेशा से ये चीज़ रहती है कि no matter how much you are earning, you will have to take my decision, you will have to listen what I am saying.
Yes.
So ये वाला अप्रोच भी मैम मुझे लगता है हटाना is very important if we talk about women empowerment.
Yes, yes. एंड जैसे अभी आपने बोला बाहर भी काम कर रहे हैं, घर में भी काम कर रहे हैं, तो ये कहा जाता है कि अ वर्किंग वुमेन गोज बैक होम टू प्रिपेयर द डिनर.
Yes, ma'am.
अ वर्किंग मैन गोज बैक टू हैव अ प्रिपेयर्ड डिनर.
True, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ये वाला जो है ना एम्पावरमेंट जो है, आप सोसाइटी के एम्पावरमेंट आप बात करते हो, आई थिंक विमेन का एंड मेन का देयर शुड बी इक्वल रोल, व्हिच इज वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर नर्चरिंग द चिल्ड्रन आल्सो.
True, ma'am.
Because
Yes, ma'am.
if one is overburdened, one will not be able to take care of the children properly. So
Yes, ma'am.
आपका future generations भी खराब होता है. At the end of the day, you have to support women, whether it is through a representation bill in the parliament, whether it is through a family's ecosystem.
Yeah, true, ma'am.
I think women now, this is the time where everybody should understand that without having or without giving due respect to the female gender, you are collapsing your society.
And ma'am, in our society, which has been very traditional and culturally very strong, irony is we worship all the goddess, all the goddess.
Yes.
But when it comes to give rights to them, I don't know why this hesitation comes. And everybody during Navratri, during Durga Puja, they will be like, Shakti is the divine power. But now we are not ready to give Shakti to that Shakti, which is which will be real manifestation.
That is why I said in the beginning, यही शक्ति तो आपको womb से nurture कर रही है.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So, and वही मैम एक जो important aspect मुझे लगता है यहाँ पे ये भी है कि even if women are elected in the parliament, women safety is issue there in parliament also, because many female MPs have come with this issue. So I think ma'am ये safety भी देनी बहुत important है, so that women can come forward proactively, because they always रिमेन इन फेयर कि क्या पता कुछ गलत हो जाएगा, क्या पता कहीं पे ये सेफ्टी इशू है या नहीं. बिकॉज मैम इवन इफ वी बिकम ब्यूरोक्रेट्स, तो मुझे लगता है कि एक विमेन ऑफिसर रात में पेट्रोलिंग में शायद उतना सेफ फील नहीं करती है जितना एक उसका मेल काउंटर पार्ट फील करता है. एंड दैट इज बिकॉज सोसाइटी हैज बीन मेड लाइक दिस.
not letting women into combat roles was this also.
Yes, ma'am.
जो आपके सिक्योरिटी चैलेंजेस थे, है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
बट प्राची, मुझे यहाँ पे भी लगता है ये माइंडसेट की बात है.
True, ma'am.
Because if something wrong is done on a woman, है ना, तो it is not her fault, but you make it a taboo. But if something similar is done on a male, आप उसको उतना मतलब you don't take it as something wrong has happened to the person, no? तो
Yes, ma'am.
society has to change the mindset. It is not females' problem.
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना? Rather she is a victim. So you
Yes, ma'am.
you start cursing the female,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
और जिन सोसाइटीज में ये जो आपके क्राइम अगेंस्ट वुमेन स्पेशली रेप्स एंड ऑल, उनको इतना ज्यादा टैबू नहीं किया है, तो वहाँ ये क्राइम्स भी कम हो गए हैं,
True, ma'am. True.
है ना? तो ये सारा जो पार्लियामेंट में भी सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी, ये ओवरऑल सोसाइटल ओवरहाउलिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? मेंटल ओवरहाउलिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड.
एंड मैम जो आपने बात करी कि जहाँ टैबू नहीं है वहाँ वो कम हो गए. सो मैम एक रिसर्च पेपर भी है प्राची मिश्रा एंड अदर्स का, जहाँ पे उन्होंने रिकॉर्डिंग चैनल एंड रिपोर्टिंग चैनल की बात करी है कि व्हेन विमेन इन द सिस्टम, विमेन फील मोर सिक्योर कि उनसे बात कर पाएँ और बता पाएँ दैट व्हाट वी आर गोइंग थ्रू. जब भी हम देखते हैं इवन इफ़ वी गो टू रिपोर्ट रेप वगैरह, सो दे इफ मेल ऑफिसर इज़ देयर, ही इज़ नॉट इवन able to sympathize. Empathize तो फिर बहुत दूर की बात है कि what has happened. So वो एक डर होता है कि जाके बताना कैसे है. बट इफ़ women representation are there is there, so they will feel more comfortable telling कि मेरे साथ क्या हुआ है. And that's why वो crime rates घटते हैं because actions are taken more stringent way. वो वहाँ पे हो जाते हैं. तो this also gives message to the crime doers that look, law is not there because it's written only. It is happening also. So that creates a psychological barrier in crime in mind of criminal doers also. So ma'am ये I think ये recording channel और reporting channel effect होना भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. And इसके लिए भी again we have to work on two fronts. First, nudging since childhood, and second, representation to women.
एंड जैसे आपने पार्लियामेंट में सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी की बात की, एंड वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेटली इफ यू लुक एट द मेल काउंटर पार्ट एज MPs and MLAs, some of them are involved in such kind of criminal activities also. उनके
Yes,
against इस
ma'am.
टाइप के cases होते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
है तो when you talk about women empowerment and when the people who are sitting in the power are involved in it, so women representation bill would definitely face some kind of challenges.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so
It's
think-
brutal to hear, but
Yeah.
it's the reality.
Yes, it's the reality. People don't speak about it,
Yes, ma'am.
but it's the brutal reality. है ना कि why
इन आर सोसाइटी इट्स ऑल्सो ट्रेंड लाइक जिन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करने में हम अनकंफर्टेबल होते हैं, इट्स बेटर टू नॉट टॉक एट ऑल.
completely avoid them.
येस मैम.
है ना, डिप्लोमेटिकली सेफ खेलने की
येस
कोशिश
मैम.
करते हैं.
ना बात होगी, ना क्वेश्चंस उठाए जाएंगे, एंड ना ही वो अकाउंटेबिलिटी आएगी. सो मैम आई थिंक अकाउंटेबिलिटी शुड ऑल्सो बी देयर दैट आप बताओ इवन इफ वी टॉक पर्टिकुलरली अबाउट विमेन बिल, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी शुड बी मेड अकाउंटेबल कि आप वो इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी, अगर इफ इज देयर डिले इन पार्लियामेंट, तो आप वो इंटरनल डेमोक्रेसी लेके आइए जहाँ पे यू आर गिविंग टिकट्स इक्वली. इफ पार्टीज आर प्रोजेक्टिंग विमेन फिगर्स, पीपल विल गो एंड वोट देम. बट इफ ऑप्शंस आर नॉट देयर, पीपल ऑल्सो हैव नो चॉइस. यस मैम.
सो आई थिंक टाइम तो बहुत टाइम से है, बट नाउ आई थिंक दिस इज द हाई टाइम.
यस मैम.
अगर अभी हम नहीं सुधरे, अभी हम नहीं संभले एज अ सोसाइटी, एज अ नेशन, विमेन को मोर विंग्स देने में, है ना,
Yes,
टू गिव
ma'am.
मोर विंग्स टू द विमेन, आई थिंक दिस विल लीड टू सम काइंड ऑफ अ डिजास्टर इन द लॉन्ग रन. I think this is high time then we as a society and our representatives sitting in the parliament, and they should also consider giving due number of seats to women in the
Yes, ma'am.
parliament
Yes, ma'am.
and state legislatures. I think this is the high time.
एंड मैम आई थिंक वो जो एक मोटिवेशन होता है दैट शुड कम फ्रॉम द वे SHGs आर वर्किंग, पंचायत इज वर्किंग, वेयर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल्सो पंचायत से पार्लियामेंट तक. सो वो चीज़ों को लेना चाहिए अकाउंट में कि सी हाउ गुड विमेन आर वर्किंग. स्पेशली ईस्थर डफलो मैम, नोबेल लॉरेट, उनका एक पेपर, ये रिसर्च पेपर, वेयर शी इज सेइंग वेर एवर देयर इज हाई विमेन रिप्रेजेंटेशन, चांसेस ऑफ गुड हेल्थ, सैनिटेशन, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर आर हाई. So that shows that is the basic necessity of any society. So if women are doing this for the society, what else we need? We need lawmakers who are there to make life of people easier so that everyone feels included in decision making. And if women are showing it at grassroots level, they will definitely show at national level. Ma'am, if we see Kudum Sri, and initiatives like Jivika in Bihar.
Yes.
They are real testaments that if we bring women in the policy making, women have equal capability to make a change in the society.
I think somewhere they even have, because their emotional angle is very strong.
True, ma'am.
Like male by nature is physically stronger, but women by nature is emotionally stronger.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, सो इमोशनल कोशेंट जो रिक्वायर होता है आज के टाइम पे, विच इज रिक्वायर्ड इन एवरी डिसीजन मेकिंग, सो
Yes,
देयर
ma'am.
वेयर विमेन इज वेरी स्ट्रांग. आई थिंक मेल फीमेल एवरीवन शुड कम टुगेदर इन द पॉलिसी मेकिंग प्रोसेस, सो दैट विल रियली टर्न इनटू अ वेरी गुड पॉलिसीज फॉर द कंट्री. या और जिन एरियाज में हम पॉलिसीज बना रहे हैं, आपका सोशल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का सारा एरिया इन्वॉल्व्स विमेन. इकोनॉमिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में भी IMF की रिपोर्ट हैज सेड कि 27% women अगर
Yes, ma'am.
they are into the workforce,
Yes,
Indian GDP would increase.
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना, तो that is what no कि you have to increase that, है ना, that present representation, whether it is corporate sector, whether it is your government, you have to increase the representation. And women, I hope next time when we sit like this, Prachi, and we would be happily discussing ki the bill has been now
Passed.
converted into
Reality.
reality.
Yes, ma'am.
And not just the bill, I think the whole society down the line 10 years, I hope है ना, कुछ तो improvement होगा, because lot many things are changing now. Girls also have to take the lead.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ मुझे ये भी लगता है कि girls should also not wait that somebody would come and give them everything in platter. You have to prove yourself.
True, ma'am. Very true.
है ना, you have to prove yourself, because the system is that you should not, but you have to.
And if there is some compulsion like if you have to, तो ये हर टाइम ऐसा नहीं देखना चाहिए because that I am being asked to do something. अगर प्रूफ करके वो चीज़ मिल रही है तो प्लीज़ हैव इट. सो और वो लेना चाहिए, और वो कॉन्फिडेंस जो आपने मैम बोल रही हैं कि इंटरनली होना चाहिए, वो बिल्कुल होना चाहिए कि इन नो वे I am inferior than others. So if I will work, if I will have same mindset, I'll also succeed. So ma'am, especially if we see women in sports or in UPSC you talked about, ma'am, nothing is there which is stopping women. There is no difference in emotional quotient or mental quotient. Everything is same. It's just like you have to also take that first step for yourself,
Yes.
where you are saying that I will do it.
Yeah, nobody will come and do it for you. You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to take the first step.
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
to lead by example.
True, ma'am.
So on this note, let us bring it to an end
Yes,
with
ma'am.
the hope that very soon we will have more equal society, respect to all the genders, not just women and men, also the
Yes,
third
ma'am.
gender. And let us hope that one day it will be a truly beautiful India with everyone having their own rights, everyone having their own feelings, everybody having their own say in their decision making. So thank you, Prachi, for
Thanks
being
a
here.
lot, ma'am. And it was such a wonderful time interacting with you and learning so many things from you, ma'am. It's been always very pleasant experience to listen to you, ma'am. So thanks a lot, ma'am, again.
Even I love interacting with young people.
Yes,
Even I
ma'am.
have a daughter. I keep on asking her about the issues of the girls in the present times, and this women-related issues are very dear to me. Also, it's dear to you, and I think
Yes, ma'am.
every women, those who are a little bit aware,
Yes, ma'am.
and they want to see women marching ahead.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it's always a pleasure to listen to young people like you, Prachi.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you.